Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm Brielle, and today I'm stoked to dive into the Garmin Vívoactive 6, a health and fitness GPS smartwatch that's perfect for anyone looking to level up their wellness game. Whether you're a casual runner or a fitness enthusiast, stick around to see if this watch is your next must-have. Let's break down the features. The Garmin Vívoactive 6 rocks a vibrant 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen with up to 11 days of battery life in smartwatch mode or 21 hours with GPS. It's packed with health tools like body battery energy monitoring, personalized sleep coaching, nap detection, and HRV status to track your energy and recovery. With over 80 sports apps, it covers everything from running to yoga, plus new running metrics like stride length and cadence for serious athletes. You can store music from Spotify, Amazon Music, or Deezer for phone-free workouts, and Garmin Pay lets you make contactless payments. It also delivers smart notifications for texts and emails when paired with your phone, and the Garmin Connect app lets you customize workouts and track stats. Now, the pros. This watch is a fitness powerhouse. Its bright display and long battery life make it a joy to use, lasting up to a week with daily workouts. The health insights, like sleep scores and stress tracking, are super detailed and actionable, helping you optimize your routine. Runners will love the new metrics, and the 8GB storage for music is a big upgrade. It's lightweight, comfy, and works with both Android and iOS for notifications. Customers rave about the easy setup and vibrant UI, making it great for beginners and pros alike. But there are some cons. The GPS can struggle in dense urban areas, and it lacks multiband GNSS for top-tier accuracy. Some users report software bugs, like the watch freezing during workouts, and the Golf app's auto shot feature has issues. It's not a full smartwatch like an Apple Watch, missing voice assistance, and the older Elevate V4 heart rate sensor isn't as precise as newer models. Also, it's pricier than the Vívoactive 5 at $300. I recommend the Garmin Vívoactive 6 for amateur athletes or fitness buffs who want a reliable, feature-packed tracker with great battery life and music storage. It's ideal if you love running, cycling, or need wellness insights without smartphone-level smarts. If you're a hardcore runner or need advanced hiking features, consider the Forerunner series instead. Ready to boost your fitness? Check out the Garmin Vívoactive 6 using the link in the description for the best pricing and special promotions from Rick's Review Hub. Clicking that link supports our channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks! If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.